Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Topic is types of pure substances on the basis of chemical composition. We can divide pure substances on the basis of chemical composition into two categories, element and compound. What is element? A substance which can neither be broken down into simpler substances nor formed from two or more simpler substances by any non-physical or chemical process. Element is made up of only one kind of atoms. So we can define elements as the pure substances which is made up of only one kind of atom. Elements are also regarded as the building blocks of the universe. Elements may be solid, liquid, gases. We can classify the elements on the basis of property into three categories. First is metal, second is non-metal, third is metalloids. Properties of metals are lustrous in nature, means shiny. Metals are good conductor of electricity and heat. They are ductile, they are malleable. Most of the metals are sonorous, means they produce sound on beating. Examples of metals are silver, gold, mercury. Next is the properties of non-metals. Non-metals are non-lustrous in nature, means they are not shiny. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity. They are not sonorous, means they do not produce any sound on beating. They are neither malleable nor ductile. Examples of non-metal are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Next are the metalloid. Metalloids, they show the properties of both metals and non-metals. Metalloids examples are silicon, germanium, Next are the pure substances type is the compound. Compound is a pure substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by mass. Means इसमें क्या है, fixed proportion होता है compound में. We can take example here, water, carbon dioxide. They are examples of the compound. Like I can explain you, it is combined in ratio of 1:8. How it becomes ratio 1:8? To number of atoms of hydrogen and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 2:16 and ratio become 1:8. So they combined in fixed proportion. Next is the carbon dioxide. They are combined in the ratio of 3:8. Carbon number of atom of carbon is 1. Atomic mass is 12. Oxygen number of atom is 2 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. 12:38 and it becomes 3:8. So they combined in fixed proportion by mass. Compound are chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion by mass. Next is the properties of compounds. First is a compound consists of two or more elements combined together in a fixed proportion by mass. I have explained you how they are combined together in a fixed proportion. Next is the properties of compounds are entirely different from those of its constituent element, मीन्स जो उसके एलिमेंट्स है उससे उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी कंपाउंड की डिफरेंट होती है. सपोज वाटर हम ले रहे हैं तो इसमें हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन बोथ आर द गैसेस, बट व्हेन दे विल केमिकली कंबाइन टुगेदर दे विल फॉर्म वाटर. वाटर बनाएंगी तो बाद में कौन सी स्टेट होगी, इसकी लिक्विड स्टेट होगी. मीन्स प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंपाउंड आर इंटायरली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दोज ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्स. जो एलिमेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज हैं उससे वो कंपाउंड की प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट हो जाती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट ऑफ अ कंपाउंड कैन नॉट बी सेपरेटेड बाय फिजिकल मेथड. हम इसे फिजिकल मेथड से अलग नहीं कर सकते इसके जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट्स है. सपोज इफ वी वांट टू सेपरेट hydrogen and oxygen from water, we have to do electrolysis process, so we cannot separate it by the physical method. Next is a compound is a homogeneous mixture. We have studied previously what are homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture means जिसमें boundaries जो है clearly नहीं विजिबल होंगी. सपोज वी आर टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल हेयर साल्ट सोल्यूशन. जो साल्ट सोल्यूशन है उसमें उसकी बाउंड्री हमें नहीं विजिबल होती. सो कंपाउंड में हमें कुछ नहीं पता चलता कि कौन हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन उसकी बाउंड्री अलग अलग नहीं नज़र आती. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ. वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.